sorrow, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. As you can see from these before clips, I have a ton of motivation for you guys today, so do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Leave today's video a thumbs up because it really does help me out when you do that, and let's just jump straight into it.
Can't help myself. Would you call me?
Okay, so I wanted to start off in the bedroom today because I desperately needed to do the bedding. So I'm going to strip that off and get that put in the wash. I do like to do that first thing because then it can just wash and dry whilst I go around and do everything else. And then by the time I finished everything else, it's ready to be put back on the bed. So I'm just going to go ahead, strip it all off and get that done, and then we can go from there.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you?
So I thought this was so cute because the second I moved his beds out into the hallway, he climbed in. I think he thought I was actually getting rid of them and I was just moving them out so I can hoover. But he does have two beds just because he outgrew the first one about a week after we got it. So we got the next size up, and yeah, we just have them next to each other just to make it even bigger because he does sleep down the side of the bed, which is why we've got that wooden like fence gate at the end of the bed so he can't actually go anywhere, and under the bed is blocked off as well, so it's just like a larger like crate area because he didn't like his crate, so that's why they're there. But I'm just going to move everything out so I can go in and give everything a good dust, a good hoover, and just really freshen it up because I can't remember the last time I did this.
In the dark, I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, the one who's breaking hearts.
So now Max is that little bit older, it's a lot easier for me to start filming again. It is still difficult with him at my feet all the time, but it's definitely easier now he's house trained because I'm not taking him into the garden every 10 minutes. So I'm really hoping in the next few weeks to start having an upload a week again, at least one upload a week, because at the moment it's just all over the place. So let me know down in the comments what day you would like to see an upload from me. If you do have any preferred days or times, just let me know down in the comments.
We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn.
So I'm now just doing a good tidy, and I'm going to wipe everything over, make it nice and clean, but I'm not going to be doing the shower in today's video because I feel like that needs a really good scrub. It needs a deep clean, so I thought I'll just save that for my spring cleaning when I go in and literally deep clean my entire house. So today is all about getting everything back where it belongs, just getting it tidy, getting it fresh, and the deep cleaning can wait a little bit longer for my spring cleaning series to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything down and just get it nice and fresh before we can move on.
I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that.
Okay, so it was now time to go in and do the main bathroom. I did not have the energy or the motivation to start here, which is why I did the bedroom and the other bathroom first, just to sort of get me going and motivate me to carry on, because this one just became like a catch-all. I'm not really sure why, but if I didn't know where to put something, I just put it in here, which is a really random place to put it. So it's now time to clear it all out. I'm going to be doing some decorating, more like restyling in this one as well, and just getting it a little bit more sort of spa-like and luxury in this one. So yeah, I really love how it turned out, but first of all I just need to clear everything out and give it a good clean.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No,
If you're enjoying today's video so far, please do consider subscribing, because I would love to have you here, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel out when you do that. I have a ton more motivation yet to come. I've got lots more decluttering, organising, and also deep cleaning that I need to do for my spring cleaning series. So there is tons of cleaning motivation as well as decorating ideas. So do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads.
thinking about me, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Okay, so if you have been following me for a while, you might have noticed that my hair colour has changed. I decided to go red and I did it myself in this bathroom, so I need to go around and clean all of the dye off of everything. I got it all over the tile, on the floor, and I've even flicked it up the wall that you might have seen in a few previous clips. So I actually need to go in and repaint this bathroom at some point. It definitely wasn't worth it. I think I will go to the hairdressers next time because it's definitely not worth the paint job, but it's actually given me more of a reason to go ahead and paint this bathroom because I do want to paint it white. I'm not really a fan of magnolia. As you can tell, my whole house is slowly transitioning into white, so it's just a good excuse to go in and do it white, but definitely not doing that today. But it's going to happen soon because I need to get rid of that hair dye. I'm absolutely loving how this room turned out. It just feels so much more luxurious, and it's going to be a lot easier for me to keep it tidy because I want to keep that luxury feeling. So now that's all clean, tidied and restyled, it's time to go ahead and make the bed.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet,
So I really wanted to do a bit of restyling in the bedroom as well. So we headed to IKEA and I picked up this really pretty carafe with a couple of glasses because we've always got water on our nightstand. So I thought I may as well make that a decor piece. And we also picked up these really pretty lamps. I've been searching for some lamps for our bedside tables for ages and I think these are so pretty. And it's just simple, but now each side matches, which is what I want. And yeah, I just love how everything's turned out. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you a ton of motivation. Do go ahead and subscribe and I will see you guys back here in the next one.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna